I hope you're having an amazing day. Today, I'm gonna show you what I bought at my town in Malaysia because I'm from Malaysia. First, I got some candy. It's really cheap, like it's literally so cheap. I got this. I'm gonna do a taste test. There, done. Oh wow, I didn't expect that to be that easy. Take this off. I'm gonna yeep. Go away, go away, go away! Yeah, okay. Yeah, I am gonna throw that away. Totally gonna throw that away. And oh well, that's so easy. Guys, can you see this? So squishy. Look cute. It's peach and mango flavored. It's so gooey. Oh wait. Oh my gosh. These kind of gummies are really easy to bite through. Like, they're a little bit melted, but it's okay. So good. I taste the peach already. My hands are now dirty, just ignore that. I'm gonna give this a 8.5. And now I have this soft candy. It's only like RM1 in Malaysia. Mango flavor. It's like you can peel the skin off. Can you hear that? Yeah, I bet you'll see this stuck before everywhere in Malaysia. It's like really famous in those mixed stores and Miniso. It's like sold out everywhere, but I actually got a chance to find this. Let's open it. Oh wow, I just did a perfect line. It smells so good. It smells like actual mango. Alright, oh my gosh. It's mango, right? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, this is like yellow mango. The shape is also the same. And behind is like green, just like in the mango. Now, for the moment of truth. Can it peel off? Oh my gosh. It's peeling off. Can you see that? This skin and this is the gummy inside. It's so good. There's only a little bit, so I don't want to eat so much, but so good. Now time for the skin. Oh, the skin is actually so hard. That's so good. Next, I have like these water bottles. Pink is my favorite color. Like, I cannot say no to pink. I also got a yellow one. It's more taller. And yeah, I actually need to crack this open on the way home. So cute. Look at the bear. So easy to open. Wait, that's locked. Put the thing inside. You see that? Yeah. This also comes with charms. Why is it so hard? This thing inside is supposed to hook that. Like, you know this? It's supposed to have it hooked. Hooked. Yeah. There's even charms, so cute. I won't be opening this because I'm still gonna keep it in the storage box in the kitchen. soon I'm going to a vacation to, I also don't know. Maybe I can do a vlog channel soon. I still don't know what name. So comment down below. I want to eat it so bad, but I need to save it. Because today was the last day of the thing. Now I got fouls. Like, my mom was like going crazy. Like, she was like, hey, you wanna buy that? Wait, my mom was going like crazy. She was like, hey, how much do you want? It was like $1 each. So cheap. And she was like, how much do you want? Hey, how much do you want? By the way, I'm gonna do another video saying some of my fans' names. So comment down your names soon. My dream is to be famous. And I have a friend at school that's called Chloe. Because she's in the comments. She comments already. She commented down already. And thank you, Chloe, for being my friend. My best friend. I knew you when I was standard 1 at school. So, thanks, Chloe. I got this foul. I don't know what B stands for. Is B meaning a bear? Yeah, because it's bear, right? And it's so cute. I'm definitely gonna take this to school one day. I have another one. I don't recognize who is this. Hey, do you know who that frog is? Comment down below if you know. And this, my favorite bunny and the duck. Oh, another one of this. But this C. So it cannot be rabbit or bunny. Maybe his name is Casey or something? I don't know. I'm just gonna leave this aside. There's too much. Yeah, I'm totally gonna pick that up later. I also got this plushie one. It's so cute. I was thinking that I could do a vlog channel or a gaming channel. I think I should do both. Yeah, comment down below. When I was a kid, my dream was to be a famous YouTuber. And this year I'm starting. And this year I'm starting. And this year, I'm literally starting my YouTube channel. When I go everywhere, I'm gonna do like a vlog channel. If I go to the store and buy like a small camera and a phone stand or something. And look at this, it's so cute. I'm like a new fan of plushie. Recently, Sanrio has been my favorite over the years. And look at this. Oh. Leave that aside. Okay. Please tell me you're having a cuteness overload. Like, look at this. It's my favorite shade of pink. I like these patterns. Coffee. This looks like my mom in the morning. This. Cake. I don't like cakes that much. And I got another one, the exact same, because it was like so cheap. Totally gonna pick that up. Yeah. And I also bought these stickers. I'm gonna take them one by one. Look at this, it's so cute. Oh my god, I have another one too. wow, that looks like my sister. Yeah, this is like so my mom drinking coffee and these things. Oh wow, I love macarons. Mermaid. Oh wait, there's two kinds of mermaids. Wait a minute. There's also two kinds of gamings. Oh wow. Tashin versus whoever this is. Loading. Whatever this are. Gaming thing. Oh wow, you're gonna get fat. Continue rest. Wow. There's another mermaid. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Oh, there's the frog. I wonder what they're talking about. What's this? It's like a hamster, another cat, chipmunk, or squirrel, hedgehog. It's like a sloth, bird, parrot, frog. Oh, that's your last one. So here's all the things that we got. Yeah, I know. So good. So cute. Oh, I don't know. Maybe one fell. Oh wait, there's a charm here. So cute. And the moment I've been waiting for. Wait, let me just eat another one. Oh wow. Eat another one of this because it's like so good. It's like sour and not sour at the same time. And this is the best part. I'm waiting so long to show you guys this. So when I was going to a vacation next week, I was thinking that we could go to the beach. Like in my family, every time we go to a vacation to another state or another country, we would always go to the beach to remember the time that we had there. Like my mom's phone has been filled with beach photos. The thing that I hate about beaches is the water so salty and the water has waves floating around. Like I hate that feeling. I don't know about you, but yeah, I hate it so much. So 1, 2, 3. You guys see this? Ah! Why did it upside down? I don't know. Oh wait, my hands are dirty. Let me do this. I'm licking my hands, so don't think that I'm doing anything. I don't want to bother you guys because some of you guys are eating right now. Yeah. I watched YouTube like my entire life. My favorite YouTubers are 5 YouTubers: the Adazala family, Nick and Carrie, and Salish, or Jordan, but the Salish channel, Needle Wonder, and Sugar Star. Oh gosh, look, this is like you put your phone inside and it cannot be wet, it's waterproof. And there's like a squishy here. And the man is even that How do we open this? By the way, if you're watching this right now, I know I'm not such a big YouTuber, but if you guys can make me to a big YouTuber, that will be the best thing ever. Wait a minute. Oh, I get it now. It's this thing. We attach to this. Yeah. Yep, that's more easy. Oh wow. So good. Squishy. But how do we open this? Right. So we slide it to the side. Or in. I know. And this towel. I wonder what pattern this is. Oh, it's too big. I think it's too big for the camera. I see its girlfriend. I see the rabbit. Oh wow, it's actually so big. I need to stand up. Oh my gosh. So big. A rabbit. By the way, guys, thanks for watching. Please make me famous. That's one of my dreams, and bye.